You can enjoy a song while we're waiting. And I take a tape measure to measure the water that has been used. It's approximately 5 inches in that one. 5 inches in that one. And the voltage for both 110 circuits has been measured to be 120.5. So we're watching for the green light to turn off first, and then the red light. And the difference in time shows you the savings that you are going to experience. Now you're watching to see which one hot water tank gets satisfied first. The aquastats are about midway up the tank, and they both turned on similarly. The red one came on first because it is fed with the 50-degree water. The hot water saver one came on second because it was fed with 60-degree water instead of 50. And you'll see what the difference is. This 10 or 12-degree difference is going to show a difference in the time of recovery of the tanks. Now the green one should shut off first, and then the red one second. Now this is called an up to because there's two 4-foot hot water savers, and it's called up to 3-inch diameter, and then 0.4 means a 4-foot long. So it's 3-inch in diameter, 4-foot long. We have the 0 digit because some of them are 15, some of them are 12-foot long, some of them are 10-foot long. So we have to leave that 0-digit space for the part number, and they're barcoded so you can scan it with the barcode and have it entered to the computer for selling it. And the hot water symbol, the logo, the emblem that my son designed, hot water saver, he designed that to show the hot water, the cold water inside a warm sewer line is the process by which the water is raised in temperature, the supply water. So we see these fittings on the end because of the drainage of the kitchen sink being so low and trying to get it into that bucket, that downward amount of distance. I had to turn these elbows horizontal to raise the system better, and I also took the space tube out of here and made it smaller together. There we have the green light, shows the hot water saver tank has been satisfied, It is now recovered from the 2.5 gallons that was used in that 5-gallon bucket, and now it is showing how much time the hot water tank on the one without the hot water saver has to remain on to do the same job. And you'll see it's roughly 2 minutes of electricity every time you wash your hands that this hot water tank has to run longer. Now, if you take a shower or you wash dishes, hot water tanks stay up on a lot longer the more gallons that are used. Some hot water tanks are 40-gallon hot water tanks, and kids stay in those showers until the last bit of hot water is used. So the whole tank is full of cold water before they shut it off and leave. And so the recovery time of a 40-gallon hot water tank is much longer. And you go to school, you go to work, that stays running and running, wasting your energy dollars. And so this symbol symbolizing how much savings can be done in your house. Simply put this in and turn it on. And if you have a gallon meter and if you have a kilowatt meter and you put it on the hot water tank and a gallon meter on the hot water pipe, you can simulate exactly what savings you have. But over testing and installing different ones, I have discovered that if you simply measure the degree rise between the inlet and outlet temperature of the hot water saver, and you measure it to be 10 degrees or 12 degrees, it is basically that percentage of savings. Because hot water tanks raise the temperature of 50-degree water to 150 degrees. That is 100 degrees rise. Whatever degrees you save by putting in the hot water saver saves that percentage. Now today I measured 10 degrees rise between the inlet and the outlet, so that saves 10% of the hot water heating costs. And see, that hot water tank just got satisfied now that didn't have the hot water saver. This could be in your house, saving you every time you turn on the hot water spigot. And it doesn't take long for the savings to take place. As long as you have hot water at your spigot, the time it takes for it to get to you is about the time where it takes for the cold water from the well to actually enter into your house and start entering into your feed for your hot water tank. And that time will be starting to save, because we'll be going through the hot water saver before going to your hot water tank, collecting the heat from the drain water that is going down when the hot spigot is on. So you need to see the savings again, watch the video again. Think about how much electricity a hot water tank uses for 2 minutes longer just for washing your hands, and see how much savings you can have in your house, especially if you have teenagers, or if you have an active kitchen, or use straight hot water for doing things in your house. So have a good day, and if you want to have a hot water saver delivered to your house and installed by your contractor, contact 570-723-1200, Sid Harvey's in Wellsboro. They have a full stock of the hot water saver line, and they can ship it to you anywhere in the U.S. So call 570-723-1200 and get your hot water saver today. Don't be caught without the oven. Are you up to date? The oven takes cold well water and preheats it for your hot water tank savings. Thank you. Have a good day.